In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Find My Items feature on your iPhone 12 or later. This handy feature on your iPhone helps you keep track of personal items, ensuring you always know where your belongings are or can quickly find them if they go missing. First, let's get started by opening the Find My app. This app is pre-installed on every iPhone and acts as a centralized hub to help you manage all your Apple devices and some third-party accessories. Once the app is open, navigate to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Items tab. This tab is where you'll manage and locate all the items equipped with AirTags or other compatible tracking devices. Next, you'll find the Add Item button. When you tap this, it allows you to connect an AirTag or a compatible tracking device to your iPhone. This step is crucial for ensuring that your items can be tracked seamlessly. Simply follow the on-screen instructions that will guide you through the process of naming and registering the device to your account. This ensures that each item is personalized and easy to identify within the app. Once your item is successfully added, you can tap on it to explore a few more options. These options are incredibly useful and can make all the difference if you ever misplace your belongings. The first thing you might want to do is play a sound on the tracker, which helps locate items nearby, perhaps buried under a pile of clothes or slipped between sofa cushions. Additionally, the Find My app offers the Get Directions feature. This feature uses the map feature to guide you to the location of your item, which is particularly handy if you've left it in a different room or misplaced it while outside. Let's not forget the Enable Lost mode, a powerful feature that, when activated, will notify you if someone finds your item. This way, the finder can see a contact number or message that you've decided to share when they try to scan the AirTag with their device. Lastly, you can view the last known location of your item. This is especially helpful in retracing your steps, giving you the peace of mind that your belongings are keeping up with you. Your iPhone becomes an incredibly versatile tool for helping you track not just your device, but all your connected items. Keep this feature in mind whenever you're heading out, as it could save you time and stress in the long run. Now that you've learned how to use the Find My Items feature efficiently, your iPhone can be a constant companion in helping you track nearby or even far off items at any time.